Hello, let's check out a soon-to-rise development of DMCI homes in Quezon City. Diseo Residences, may entrance or exit sa Samar Avenue pinagitnaan ng Mother Ignacia and Timog Avenue. Also, kita na rin along EDSA which is opposite side lang ng Centris EDSA. Pagpapunta ka ng Kamuning MRT Station before mag-Petron and Shell Station, pagkalagpas mo ng Mother Ignacia, you'll see the signage of DMCI Homes alongside EDSA. Pre-selling pa and newly launched kaya aabangan yung promos and special discounts. This will be a high-rise development which is strategically located to key areas sa QC like West and South Triangle, Quezon Avenue, Sergeant Esguerra, Mother Ignacia, and Timog. Maganda dito, peaceful and tahimik ang location pero gitna ng busy zones ng QC or Quezon City. For more info, send me a DM.